Just like,
oh, that guy's stuck up there. Should I go see?
Sure.
Yeah, because he went up a bad area.
yeah.
No, it must have been a different racer. Oh yeah, they were behind me now, right? Pushing there. I was lifting up from the cage. And, yeah. So I think one more time of sliding. 1, 2, 3. See how far you're trying to go over? Yeah. That's good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Try to get out from underneath it. Ooh. Get ready. Come on. That's the pivot point. Just get ready to jump in. Start getting in. Bro. Just start getting in. And I'll push it over. Okay. Ready? Yeah, let it. Let's start going. Go. Go. There. Hell yeah, bro. You got it. Go. Trigger. Hell yeah, guys, the little battery operated Makita came in clutch again today. First time we brought it with us. The only reason why I bought it, because on the 06 it has a slow leak for some reason. So we were just gonna make sure we had enough air to get here and back for the day before we swap it out, because it was a last minute finding.